folks, and today on Yeti I'm going to Boat Nic. Boat Nic is tomorrow, but I can say today if I want to say today. Boat Nic is pretty much a festival that has boat racing happening on the same day, and it's going to be super fun. That's why I'm sharing this experience with you, because that's what we do on a Yeti. Anyway, skip intro. Okay, we made it to Boat Nic. We've been here for a little while, and you can hear the rides in the background. I just went on a ride, but you weren't allowed to take your phone on it, so I didn't. But next ride you'll probably be allowed to, so I'll record that. We're just heading down to the river before the boat races start. Anyway, besides that, my day's pretty good so far. How do I do this?
Get in a different seat.
Wait, my.
What? Oh, are you okay? Sorry.
Okay, we started moving. We're starting to go up. Okay. Not that bad. Oh my god.
See them over there?
Wait, flip. Hey. Yeah, right there. Whoa. Flip. Whoa!
Other way?
Hey! Okay, okay, we're speeding back up. Okay, just got off the ride. It was pretty fun.
I can show if it's on the line I want. Lyric! Hey, Lyric! I'm hopping on.
What?
Hell!
Okay, so right now we're leaving the park where all the rides are, and we're heading to the boat races so we can watch some boat racing, because we just went on two. Oh,
Watch out for that. Muddy.
we just went on two spinny rides, so we're heading to the boat races. Okay, turns out there's no boat races happening right now, but there will in a little while. So right now we're just gonna, right now we're just gonna explore the park. Yeah.
Lock and load.
See you okay?
Oh yeah.
Get ready for rambunctious. I think you figured it out. I think you did good. Shut it down a little early, so we'll see what Speed was.
That
You don't want to go straight.
That scared me.
I thought they were.
Rambunctious. 126 miles per hour. Crazy. I probably couldn't do that. Just kidding, I could. I could beat that. Look at it. Doing on a jet ski. What is that guy even supposed to do? What is that guy on the jet ski even supposed to do?
I don't know, maybe help you if you drown. So you don't drown. Runs over and pulls you out of the slit hole. It's like a fork up there. See that? It's like a two-sided hole. The other one was one single. I wonder what the difference is.
All right, on the course is My Favorite Memories, driven by Jared Vance. Running a 496 cubic inch Chevy motor. Fastest time ever win is 105 miles an hour. He runs a modified Eliminator.
That one looked pretty quick. What do you think?
Fastest time that he's ever won is 141 miles an hour. He did a run earlier today and was at 137 miles an hour. Yesterday's run was 125. So as we go deeper and deeper into the weekend, they get better and better.
I love this song. Let's get down to business.
Oh, is this a DJ Pick song? No? All right. All right, just looking at Cole's bio here. He's a 2023-2022 world champion, a CDBA champion, and many more. So he's got a lot of championships. He's been racing for 20 years. All right, he's got to fire it out. He's waiting for Cole to get the green light to go. Oh, he's running back there deep too. All right, let's hear it for Gunslinger. I think he's going to drive that up to the trailer, I think. That was a great run. He got down to business. He got down to business. All right, cover your ears, everybody.
Definitely gonna stay zoomed out. Okay, it's the next day. Yesterday had a lot of fun. Today we're going back to Boat Nic. Not for as long though, because we still have 3 ride tickets left. So we're gonna use those, and then I might buy some stuff with the monies. Just got back from Boat Nic. Really fun. Honestly, you should go next time that it's open. Really fun boat races, everything. But make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to never miss another video on Yeti. You have noticed that I'm posting a lot more frequently. That's because I have a lot more free time with less stuff happening. Anyway, peace.